One thing I couldn't live without while traveling would probably be fuzzy socks.
One thing that I can't live without while traveling would probably be sweatpants.
And together, both of those.
Yeah.
They're good. Fiji. I really want to go to Fiji. I don't know why. I don't even know what it looks like, but it sounds cool.
Bora Bora.
Window. Always window seat.
That's hard. Window if I'm flying by myself, aisle seat if I'm flying with my family.
You always fight me for that.
Yeah, well, it's because I know I can like lean on my family to sleep if I have an aisle seat, but if I'm by myself, then a window seat.
Dixie. Ow!
Dixie. Dixie.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Okay, yeah.
The biggest thing about my life that has changed in the past year is that
My GPA went up a lot.
I have made more friends.
I could play the piano with my toes.
I can sing my ABCs backwards. Dixie. Me.
I feel like
I know how to
we
cook
both cook
chicken.
our own things. You can't cook cake.
You don't
Your mac
cook
and cheese
cake,
is
that's
average.
baking cake.
Okay, you can't bake a cake. Your mac and cheese is average.
I've never seen you cook something.
I didn't say I was good, but you're not that good.
I'll talk about mine. I got off of Amazon these little music boxes and they play these little songs and they're really, really cute.
Bought myself a car. Charli. Me.
No,
My hair's harder to work with.
That's not who's better at it. I can do braids and everything.
I can do braids. I just don't do it. I can do it. I just don't.
Okay.